Morning.
Hello.
Have you got your driver's license?
Yes.
Let me see that first.
Yes.
Were you watching videos last night?
Yes. Yes.
Are there any questions before we start?
No, I do not. I've also got what was left of the money I owed you.
Right.
30, right?
Thank you.
Yeah? Okay. I know you said I don't need anything else, but I have my passport and my theory pass certificate either way. I don't know, I like to be prepared.
Do you?
Yes. Okay. I'll turn my phone off later. Right, I don't think I need anything else. Sorry?
Are your bag in the back?
Yes. Okay.
I told you about that fail I had on Saturday, didn't I?
The guy that pulled up on the right, but in the middle of the road.
What a plonker. Did your boyfriend wish you good luck?
Yes, he did. And my mum. My dad didn't, but
You know?
it's okay. I don't know, maybe he doesn't know it's today. I did tell him. I don't know, men.
23rd of December, yeah?
Yeah. Christmas present.
Hopefully.
Hopefully indeed. Do the mirrors look alright to you?
That one looks a bit low.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah. Just a finger's worth of car.
I think that's it.
That's it, yeah. That one looks a bit low.
Yeah. That's yeah.
Yeah.
That works. Okay.
Now, when you get in the car with the exam, put your license in there.
Okay.
Yeah?
Mhm.
And,
My address is wrong though there.
well, you'll have to send it away yourself. Crossgate, you'll have to, hopefully when you pass the day, you'll just have to send that away yourself. Yeah?
Cool.
Normally they do it for you.
Alright.
You said you want your trainer to come with you, say no.
Sorry?
You said you want your trainer to come with you,
Oh.
say no.
I won't. Okay.
You
Alright.
said you want them there at the end, say yes.
Say what at the end?
You said you want your trainer present at the end,
Okay.
say yes.
Alright. What's
'Cause
the end?
When he tells you whether you passed or failed.
Oh, okay, fair. Yes.
Yeah.
Sounds
You know,
good.
do them.
Okay, right. So.
This is Vanessa's first attempt. Normally I only have 1 hour before the test, but with this Vanessa, she takes a couple hours here at Wando, don't you?
I do.
So we're having a couple of hours driving here. Hopefully there won't be many serious faults.
Hopefully not.
Learned to drive on the 26th of November, didn't you? Start?
Yeah. So just under a month ago.
Yeah. No
Well.
experience, had you?
No, not really. No. Okay. Looks safe to go. So we're gonna reverse on the right.
Just check the date again, I get a bit paranoid.
Check what?
The date and time of your test, I get a bit paranoid.
Yeah. Me too. So. Right. Now. Blind spot. Okay, we'll go.
Left, just left.
Okay.
What videos did you watch? Mock tests or the test routes?
Hang on. I watched test route number 9 again.
Well, that one says then turn right.
Yeah.
Did you see what I did?
Hang on. Wait. Yes,
Yeah.
I did. And then I watched a couple mock tests. And then I watched Leah's video. Leah, I think her name is. The video of her before the exam. Because I thought, why not? Let's see what I'm in for. And yeah. That's it.
Did you see it then where I told you she called me on the...
Yes. That's when I texted you. I was like, do I need my certificate?
We're going right.
We're going right. Mirrors and signal left. Okay, straight to gears. Right, so it's green off gas because there's pedestrians, Green's ready for lights to change.
Well done. Coach went down a bit earlier, but
Yeah, it did, didn't it? I should have braked a bit first.
Yeah, it would have been perfect. But you anticipating that was all good stuff. That.
Good. That's my backup light, yeah?
It is, yeah.
I get stressed out though, so I prefer looking at this one either way. Straight to gears, and we go. Off gas just in case this does the same, but there's no pedestrians, so it looks like it's gonna be fine. Where are we going up here?
Right at the lights.
Right at the lights, so I'm just gonna keep the right lane and signal when I'm on par with this junction. So now, it's green, I'm ready to stop, but it's still green, so I'm gonna go. Yep. Okay, and here there's a bus. It's stopping, so I don't need to do any meeting situation. Ooh, it's safe to go.
But if it was coming, you would have stopped there.
I would have stopped, of course. And also, these cars don't, they're not overtaking, so just.
Do we give way to people in there?
No, because it's an island of refuge.
Yeah.
A refuge aisle.
Yeah, that's good.
But over there we should. So I can see this side and it's fine. Oh, you're a bit. This side, okay. That side's fine as well. So we're just gonna keep going because there's no one in the near distance, which is quite good because hopefully that'll be the case later as well. It is 2 days to Christmas, so students aren't here. Right. Okay. Red light's over there, so soon I will go off gas. But not.
We're gonna turn right.
I'm gonna turn right. I'm gonna signal. I did mirrors and signal first, and now we're just gonna go for that smooth stop. Clutch down. Start braking a bit. Roll into first and brake. That's my backup light. Handbrake goes on because there's pedestrians. And stressed about that junction there, but it's fine. Right. I'm gonna let those 3 cars go by, then it looks like we can probably go. Where do I here? Okay, but we can go now, so I'm just gonna do that.
So remember, just.
I stopped there, okay.
Yeah, just don't go any further forward, yeah?
No. Right, straight to gears. No, hang on, wait. Calm everyone. Mirrors. Blind spot. Safe to go. I didn't pop a signal on because there was no one really around.
That's all good.
But obviously we should do if there were to be someone around. Car behind me now, we don't want to slow it down too much, but also this is a 30s road and don't want to go too fast.
The roundabout would turn left.
Turning left, okay. So in that case, I'm off gas now. Well, now I'm off gas. I'm starting to brake a little bit. He's turning. There's literally no one else, so we're just gonna go. Checked my mirrors again and take that signal off. And too far back.
No. About left a minute.
Okay, we're gonna pinch an inch. Okay.
Then could have come up a little bit slow with a rolling first gear.
Did I go too quickly?
Yeah, just a bit quick, and then you had to stop and roll back a bit, and then put it in first.
Okay. Green, ready for lights to change. They're not changing. We're gonna go now. Just off gas because there's a traffic light there. It just turned green, so it should be fine for us to go. But just in case it isn't. The solid white line is there. It's still green, so we're just gonna go. Gonna pop it into third now because it's a 40 road from there. So I'm gonna start building up some speed. Checking mirrors, no one behind, so that's great actually. No cyclists, no anything.
You sound like me on video.
I've watched so many, I've basically become you.
And then you just put it into first and look all around the car. We've got that now, reverses it over here. Do you look all around?
Yes.
I think you're a bit stressed now, aren't you?
Yes, I am. Okay. Looks all clear. We're reversing onto the left side. I can't tell if they're waiting for someone. Oh well. I turn straight enough. Oh, very wide. So I'm going to give it a good turn. Okay. Slow it. Okay.
That'll do. Right. Prediction time. I'm going to pass or fail.
Don't know. I genuinely don't know. I need to be lucky. I think I need to have ideal driving conditions. I don't know.
Well, I'm hoping you the second you always drive better when
After a couple of hours.
Yeah, so hopefully fresh start here. Give us a prediction, pass off. Guess the right amount of minors. Talk yourself through things if it helps you.
I will.
Probably about 4 minors, yeah. Well, I'm going to wish you the very best of luck.
Thank you. I want to cry right now.
Have you got your license?
Well, it's in here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to open that bonnet. Open the bonnet first.
Okay. Can I leave my bag in there?
Yeah.
Or should I turn my phone off?
Yeah.
Let me do that then. He asked me like, "Oh, are you off work today?" And we started chit-chatting. And then I hoped he didn't talk to me anymore because I needed to concentrate.
He's alright, Martin.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I literally can't believe it. Can you believe it? Did you think you thought I was gonna fail?
No. Well, if I knew you were gonna fail, I would have told you to put it back for me.
Fair enough.
But I know you're good enough. You do drive better on the third hour, yeah?
I do.
Yeah.
I do. Oh my
Well,
gosh.
we're back up test with the wonderful Vanessa. Tell them what you've done.
I passed.
Tell them how many faults you got.
7. And
There's a lot.
I did predict that though, so.
You did, didn't you?
I did.
Mystic Meg. Can
You
you
said
remember
4.
what the 4?
I was okay. One turn right. I went a bit on the other lane.
What were we doing the day? I told you about that, didn't I?
Yeah, you did. And I did my best there. But anyways, and I was also in the center of the road rather than on the left lane. But in the practice, in the mock tests, I was always like on the right lane, so it's an improvement anyways. And then this parking took forever. He told me to drive into a bay, which is my least favorite maneuver.
I know, I was watching that. It was painful watching that.
But I was just checking around. I didn't want him to be like, "Oh, there's a pedestrian there." So I was like,
Was the exam really nice?
Yes, he was lovely.
Did you do the emergency stop?
No, we didn't. I was gonna say yes, but because we practiced them earlier, but no, we didn't, which is just as well. But yeah.
So you just passed that test in just under a month, haven't you?
Yeah.
From a complete beginner?
Yeah.
How did you find learning to drive them?
Fine, because you're the best teacher ever.
I wouldn't say that.
No.
Did you enjoy learning?
I did.
Yeah?
Yeah. I do really enjoy driving, but also, yeah, you were a good instructor.
Good. Well, you were a hard worker, weren't you?
I did my best.
Yeah. Plus you watched a load of videos.
I did do that as well. Because if I had failed, I needed to know that I tried everything, you know?
Yeah.
So, but I didn't.
Well done. What's it feel like to pass your test?
Well, right now I can't believe it yet. I feel like we just did a really good mock test.
Yeah.
With someone else. In a few days, I'll be like, oh, I actually can drive now.
Now this is where you have to be very careful.
Yeah.
Because you're on your own down here. You have to be very careful. This is where the real learning begins, yeah?
I know.
Oh, well done.
Oh, thank you.
7 faults is a bit scruffy, but it's a good price. Consider you've only done been learning what?
43 hours.
Well, 42, not including the test. 42 hours.
I think that's alright.
Yeah, that's
And I come from a country where we drive on the other side of the road.